Welcome back! Module 3 marks the halfway point of this course, meaning that you are halfway from becoming an expert in financial literacy. So let's dig in. Here we'll be going over the basics of understanding taxes and debt, starting with taxes. Unfortunately, not 100% of the income you make goes into your pockets. Taxes are fees that you must pay as an individual to the government in order to help them finance activities that benefit your community, whether on a local, provincial, or national level. What do we mean by that? Taxes to the government fund the services they provide to citizens. The roads you drive on, infrastructure, the education you get in elementary and high school, your health care, and much more are services provided for the government and paid for by the citizens as tax. So how is your tax collected? Most governments use an agency or department to collect taxes from the people. In Canada, the Canadian Revenue Agency, or the CRA, does this job. So how many different taxes do you need to pay? There are a few common types of taxes that individuals should be aware of. Starting up, we have income tax, which is a percentage of your annual earnings which is filed to the federal government every year. Next, you may notice that at the store you may end up paying more than just the sum of your price tags. That extra money paid is sales tax, or taxes on certain goods and services. Finally, there's property tax, or money paid to the government with the amount you pay depending on the value of the houses and properties you own. Paying taxes to the government may seem trivial, but learning about how they work is essential. Not paying taxes on time would harm the government's ability to provide services and also hurt your credit score. Therefore, make sure your payment history is good. But let's break it down specifically. Taxes are sort of treated like debt to the government. If you owe them an overflowing amount of taxes, according to credit scoring criteria, your score could drop. On top of that, you may have to pay interest and penalties if you don't pay them off in a timely manner. Your credit score can take a long time to rebuild, so try to dodge anything that can impact it because remember, your credit score shows how reliable you are as a borrower. Taxes can definitely seem like an annoyance when they're due, as it feels like money just slipping right out of your hands for no reason. However, they are extremely important to pay, as the government structure we rely on depend on them.